Hey guys, so today's topic of discussion is really wonderful, which I came across few days back and thought of designing some content on it. The name is Vasudev Kutumbakam, the very thought of incorporating universal oneness. So, in its ideology, puts the organization behind it at the highest esteem of every same soul. In fact, adopting and embracing the principle of oneness of God, oneness of religion, and all the living organisms is the only way out of today's worldwide chaotic equations. Scientific and technological advancements has not added much solace to human beings' plights and miseries. Rather, it has worked as a negative catalyst towards man's well-being and contributed towards many destructive factors. Today, apparently, civilization books like having vast progressive wings, but the bitter, unadorned evidence is that this untidy winged civilization is under the threat of crash landing. Man is able to find a solution to all the problems in today's world scenario. Only God knows why. Technology has brought about global communication, knowledge and science have developed tremendously. We boast to have conquered the world and outer space. Yet, with all these achievements, people are seen suffering and unhappy in each nook and corner. Some thinkers are, of course, trying hard to mend the erratics, but with improper tools. It is something like a doctor treating a patient without diagnosing the root cause of the disease or complication. Everywhere on this earth, people with noble intentions are doing this, but all the new methods of mitigating and suffering of the world are nosediving. But this innovative humane ideology of Vasudev Kutumbakam has brought great hope like bright light at the end of the tunnel. Now, peace and bliss are within man's reach. The execution of the whole noble principle is simple, and the procedure is like a cakewalk. Only every individual of this earth is to feel the world is his own country, all mankind is his brethren, and to do good is his religion. All the rulers, policymakers, religious practitioners, and individuals are required to broaden their outlook, make their hearts a little larger and spacious, and treat every humankind, every human being equally in letter and spirit. We all should hold these truths to be self evident, and all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights. That among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. The very visualization of this state of world as a single unit gives us ecstatic hope, and it is resultant impact brings great tranquility. World government can take a real shape with the selfless approach. The rulers as well as the subjects will have determinedly to take up the task of bringing yesterday's haves and have-nots, and thereby bringing each and every at par level. The mission looks mammoth, but once it gains momentum, it is going to be a worldwide way of lifestyle. We are to start this charity from our own home, vicinity, or country, but our visions and aims should have only the reach of a sky as our operating limit. Our single and common religion will be damn easy to practice. That is, goodwill towards all beings is our true religion. Cherish in our hearts boundless goodwill to all that lives in this world. We are to be firm believers of the principle that when a man is freed from present form of religion, he has a better chance to live normal and wholesome life in the time ahead. To envisage the principle of Vasudev Kutumbakam, oneness of God, oneness of religion, world government, unity of mankind, are not sheer words of delirious dreams. Rather, they are our future art of living principle. Those have come to stay. The only requirement towards achievement of this goal is just to give it a place in our hearts and souls, and spread, preach, and practice the thoughts collectively. Our honest, willful, and determined actions will be the best interpreters of the above mentioned ideological thoughts and principles. That's all for today, guys. Thank you.